Alright, time to check out the Magic Kingdom.
Right now, so wait by. But if you stay on board long enough, sooner or later, you'll be back.
Alright, give the camera a wave. Wave. Yep, and up. Yay! Check out the foliage. Oh, bamboo.
By the way, we're traveling on pure steam power.
This foliage is pretty boring, so I'll talk to you. Yeah, so basically we've arrived, there's been some delays, the car parking was a pain in the ass. But now we're on the train, and look, someone else is recording. I'm going to record the person recording.
Now we're on the train, and Luke's being a self-indulgent git by taking videos of himself with his iPhone.
This is going to go on YouTube and Facebook. Look. Out of my finger there. I think we're going to Frontierland. Via more foliage. Yep, the other side still foliage. Everyone's still here.
We've reached the wild west of the Magic Kingdom, Frontierland. This out.
Folks, bring your legs inside the train, please. Legs inside the train.
Splash Mountain and join Brer Rabbit for a 50-foot drop straight down into the Briar Patch.
Roadway, no foliage. Oh, look, there's Woody and his friend from Toy Story. Oh, that's right, Pixar owned Disney. Oh, it's dark. Oh, look, there's things happening. Frontierland.
Alright everybody, welcome to Frontierland Station. Remember, remain seated till our train stops, please. Alright folks.